Bowling Green hosting Springfield. This one didn't take long. 4 minutes in, and the Bobcats are on the attack. Sydney Moss using her speed to beat the defender. Keeps it on the ground and finds the mesh to give BG the early 1-0 advantage. But the Blue Devils respond right back. Down the other way, Chloe Meddy splitting the defense, floats this one over the keeper's head, and just like that, we are tied at a goal apiece. Springfield would get a good look 10 minutes before the break, but check out the save by Peyton Bosworth. The defense, the story in the second half, as neither team able to find the back of the net, resulting in a 1-1 draw.
I thought the girls played really, really hard. They finally played good possession. They didn't panic. They didn't play kickball. We just calmed down. We played good possession and had really good chemistry today. I wish we would have gotten a few more shots off. A little bit too unselfish at times, but I was very, very happy with the way that we just pressed and pressed and pressed, and we never let off the gas.
Another pair that has some really good chemistry, Kevin Peel and Bernie Hunterbrinker, break it down.
1-1 draw in a late season NLL showdown between Springfield and Bowling Green, and I was so impressed with the efforts of Veronica Floric and also Karina Wiseman Esparza in goal. They were both phenomenal. Both had their moments where they kept their teams in a tie scenario.
You know, both goalies played very well. They had two different styles. BG is definitely a more aggressive, go out and take control, don't give up rebounds type of goalie, long putts. The Springfield goalie, Floric, did a great job also. Does much better on her distribution than her length, but hey, she got the ball out of her area and into a safe zone every time.
Bowling Green scores 4 minutes in, and actually Springfield then controls the play for the rest of the first half. Peyton Bosworth had a huge non-goalie save with under 10 minutes left in the first half, and that single play could have been the difference in this game.
Oh, huge, because as you know, when you get 1-1, you're ahead 1-1, then or you're ahead by 1-0, then it comes 1-1, and then also you give another one 2-1 nearing the end of the first half. That is depressing. That is when the teams start to lose their emotions and they start getting they stop thinking.